People say a relationship should be built on love, trust, and mutual respect. And while that's true, what I love about our relationship is it's built entirely on being stupid.
Good afternoon, and thank you all for coming out here today to celebrate the union of these two fun-loving goofballs who are truly meant for one another.
Both of us, especially as we've grown up, have always been the funny one in the group. And that's one thing I love about our relationship is that we're both very funny.
My friends often ask if I like who my sister's marrying, and I literally always reply with, yeah, because if I could build a boy for Sydney, it would be Jacob.
I've always looked up to you like an older brother. Always the ball of energy in the room, life of the party, a free spirit. So it made sense to me when you finally shared that you wanted to do improv.
So as you all know, I went through an improv phase, and I was going to UCB and blew through their regular courses, and I think it was the final range of courses, 401, that Sydney and I were in together. But no, I saw her and I was like, okay, that's my type. But and she got this far, so she's funny. So, you know, like, check one, check two.
I asked him to go for a drink after our last class, and we'd been flirting and we're like, we were gonna smooch. And he'd gotten in a car wreck that day, and he still came to class, presumably to go on a date with me. You're not ready though.
No, I'm not.
You're really not.
No, I feel it.
You're really not ready?
I feel it. No! My God! You look amazing!
Oh my God, you look so good.
You are magnificent, my God.
Thank you.
Like, I knew you were gonna blow me out, but you had to do this to me?
Thankfully, it worked out long term, and they became one of my top 10 favorite couples, right after George and Martha Washington.
We had gone engagement ring shopping. I knew he had the ring in the apartment. I was like, just give it to me. He was like, I've planned a really nice weekend for us, and I don't want you to think that the only reason I would do that is if I was gonna propose to you. We had a really nice day for our anniversary. We went and got a couples massage, went up to the Bronx Botanical Garden.
And we were walking around, and Sydney was like, you're really not gonna propose, because like, this day would have been the day to do it. Like, it was a perfect day.
I guess in that moment, he had decided he wanted to propose.
We're just like having a beautiful night, and she says, you know, I'm kind of glad that you didn't propose today. Oh, and the ring is in my pocket! And I'm just like, oh, that's wild. That's crazy.
So we go down to the waterfront. We're in Long Island City. We're looking at Manhattan. And he got down on one knee. The only thing I remember him saying was, I've never done this before, which I was like, yeah.
There are really just 3 tenets to improv. The first is to listen to your partner. The second is to agree and build. And the third is to trust that your partner will do the same. We've listened to each other's hopes and dreams, agreed upon and built a life together, and every step was taken with the trust that we'd be there for each other.
I promise to work with you to find a mutually agreed upon lie that we tell people about how we met, because saying we met at improv is still so embarrassing to me. And most of all, I vow to love you, dumb stupid, for the rest of my life.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.